Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in SBI Clerk Miss April 2025. So, a vessel P contains 56 liters of a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 1. So, there is one vessel P which contains 56 liters of a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 1, and vessel Q contains 40% of water and the rest is milk, and vessel Q is there in that 40% is water and rest means 60%, because total is 100%. So 40% of water, so rest means 60% of milk. So 25% of mixture Q and 60% of mixture P are taken out, and means from P 60% taken and from Q 25 taken, and it is poured into empty vessel R. So it is poured in empty vessel, and in that vessel the ratio of water to milk is 52 is to 141. So we need to find how much milk was taken out from vessel Q. So I will just extrapolate the question. So there is one vessel P. So in that, milk to water ratio is 3 is to 1, and there is one more vessel Q. So in that, 40% is water, 40% of water and rest is milk, means total will be 100. So 40% water means 60% will be milk. So this is the given info, and from this, from P we have taken 60% mixture, and from Q we have taken 25%, and we combine this. After that, in vessel R, P plus Q, it is in vessel R. So in that, ratio of water to milk is 52 is to 141. So by using this info, we need to find how much milk is taken from vessel Q. So initially, these two vessels are there. In P, milk to water ratio is 3 is to 1, and in vessel Q, 40% of water and 60% of milk. And from the mixture P, 60% is taken out, and from mixture Q, 25% is taken out. So, and after combining 60% from P and 25% from Q, we formed a poured into vessel R, and in that, water to milk ratio is 52 is to 1 is to 141. So by using this info, we need to find how much milk was taken from vessel Q. So we will solve this one now. So initially we will solve from P. So in P, total is 56 liters. So total is 56 liter, and milk to water ratio is 3 is to 1. So we'll, since it is 3 is to 1, so we will consider it as, for solving, we will consider 3 as 3x. Let milk be 3x in P, and water will be considered as x, so 1x. So total is 3x plus x, milk and water, so it is 56. So for P we are solving this. So in P it is 3 is to 1, so 3x and x we have taken. So it is 4x 56. So x will be 56 divided by 4, which is equal to 14. So in P milk is 3x. So 3 into 14, which is 42, and water is x, so which is 14. So this is for P. So we have solving this for 3x. So in P, milk is 42 liters and water is 14 liters. So, and from P, how much is taken? 60% is taken out. So we'll solve this one now. So now we will further, we'll take 60% of these two. So 60% of milk is taken out. 60% of milk. 60% means 60 divided by 100 into 42. 60 divided by 60% means 60 by 100. So it is zero point 0.6 into 42. So zero point 0.6 into 42 for solving easy. We will write 6 by 10 into 42. So 6 into 42 will be uh, 42 into 6 will be 252 divided by 10. So 25.2. So 60% of milk is 25.2 and 60% of water. So 60% means zero point 0.6 and water is here 14. So it will be 6 by 10 for you can solve by other methods. So I'm just using it 114. So it is 84 by 10. So it is 8.4. So we have found the 60%. Why we have found 60%? Because from vessel P we have to form R. From vessel P we have taken 60% of uh, from here. So 60% of milk is 25.2 and 60% of water is 8.4. So this we have solved for P. So same we will solve for Q. So for P initially it is by using ratio and total it is 56 liter it is given for P. So using this we have found the quantity for milk and water in P, and 60% we have removed, because from 60% we have removed and poured in vessel R. So it is vessel R, vessel R. So same we will find for uh, Q, and from that we will remove 25%. So from for Q we will solve in next page. So for Q, 40% water and 60% milk. 40% water and 60% milk. Okay. So in this they have not given quantity. So here they have given 56 liter was total for P. So for Q they have not given. So randomly we will take as X. So there was total X liters. Let us consider X liters for Q. So 40% of it was water and 60% milk. So water will be, so they have not given, we suppose it as X. So in that 40% is water. So 40% X. So 40% means 40 by 100 into X. So it is 0.4 X. And milk is 60%. 60% X means it is 60 by 100 into X. So it will be 0.6 X. Okay, up to here we have found. So now what info one more given, 25% is taken out from Q. So 25% we will take from water and milk also. So 25% taken out. So 25%, 25 means 25% of water means 25 divided by 100 of, and water is zero point 0.4. So it will be 0.25 into 0.4. Okay, so for solving I will just write 0.25 as 25 by 100, because 25 100 by 0.4 and here 4 by 10. So 25 into 4 is 25 into 4 is 100, and here 1000. So here 100 by 1000, so we will cancel 2 zeros, so it is 0.1. So you can solve by any other method. So I just for solving I taken this, or you can manually also try this. So now 25% water we have taken. Now 25% of milk. 25% milk. So 25 means 0.25 it will come, and milk is 0.66. So here x will come. Okay. So here 0.1x. Okay, so point. So I have just forgot to wrote here x. So x will come here. So 0.25 means 2500 into 6 by 10 into x. So 26 into 25 into 6 is 150. 150 by 1000. So it is 0.15 x. So 25% of water is 0.1 x, and 25% of milk is 0.15 x. So we will just write down here 60% of P we will write here, and 25% of Q. So from 60% of here, from P, milk is 60% of P is 25.2. Milk is 25.2, and water is 8.4. And from here 25% is taken also. Here milk is 0.15x and water is 0.1x. So we have taken this 60% of P and 25% of Q, and we poured in vessel R. So in that, what ratio become? 50 water to milk is 50 to 1 by 141. So here milk will be, so first we will write water, since they have given water to milk. Water is 8.4 plus 0.1x, and milk is 25.2 plus 0.15x. So water to milk. So in that, they have given water to milk is 52 divided by 141. So we will write it here. So water to milk ratio will be, in vessel R is 50 to 141. So in vessel R, since from we have taken 60% of P, 25% of Q, after combining a ratio have become in vessel R is 50 to 141. So water will be, water is 8.4 0.1 x equal to 52 and 20 divided by 25.2 0.15 x, here 141. So we'll solve this in next page. So 8.4 plus 0.1 x divided by 25.2 plus 0.15 x will be equal to 52 141. So we'll cross multiply this one. 141 8.4 0.1 x and 52 25.2 0.15 x. Okay, so now we will solve this. So first we will multiply 144 into 8.4. So here 4 ones are 4 16, 4 ones are 4, so it is 564. Okay, so 8 ones are 8. Okay, so here 3 2. Okay, 4. So 1. So it will 1184.4, and here is 141 into zero point 0.1, means it is 0.1 is 1 by 10, so it will be 14.1x. And now we'll solve this one. 25.2 into 52, so it is 2 into 4, 2 is it 10 to 0 1, so 2 into 4 504. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10, 4 is at 25, so 6, 26. 5 into 2 10 here 12, so 4 0 5 6 11, so 1 3, so it is, so 52 into 25.2 is 1310.4, and 52 into zero point 0.5, or we can do 0.15 into 52, so 2 5 is 10, so 2 2 here 3, so 0 as it is, so here 3 5 is 15, 5 5 is 5 5 is 25, 25 into 1, so it is 7 0, so it is 0 8 7, so up to 2, so 52 into 0.5 is 7.52 into 0.15 is 7.8x. So we will take x terms on one side and constant on other side. So put 14.1x and 7.8x, so 13.14, and here 1184.4. Okay, so now 14.1 to 14.1 and 7.8. So we subtract here, so it will not from 11, it is 3, 14 to 8 is 6110, so it is 6.3x, and here 13101184, 1310.4, 1184.4, 440. If 10 6 means it is 10 6, so okay, 11 9 it is 2. Okay, here it is 1, okay 0, so it is 126. So 6.3 x equal to 126, so 126 divided by 6.3, so 6.3 we can write it as 63 by 10, so 1260, here it will multiply to 126, so 63, so 63 into 2 is 126, so value of x is 20, so value of x we have found. So from the question what they were asked, they were asked to find how much milk was taken from vessel Q. So milk vessel taken from vessel Q is, milk is 0.15x, so 25% of milk is taken from vessel Q, so 25% of milk is 0.15x, so milk taken 25% means it is taken 0.15x from Q, milk taken from Q, so 0.15x, 0.15 value of x is 20, so it will come out to be 3, so here we can write it as 1.5 2 into 10, so 0.15 into 10 is it is 1.5 into 2, so value will be 3, so milk taken from Q is 3 liters, so our answer is 3. Okay, so our answer will be 3. So this is the way to solve the guys. Thank you.